This is an Ellis Mowers and More small engine vlog. Stay connected on Instagram and Facebook at Ellis Mowers and More. Comments or questions? Leave them below or email me, ellis@ellismowers.com. And as always, like and subscribe for more small engine content. On today's video, it's time to do the Super Clean giveaway winner. Hopefully y'all enjoyed the 10,000 subscriber giveaway for Super Clean. It just so happened they reached out to me around the time that I hit 10,000 subscribers, and I was cleaning out this $310 Dodge Grand Caravan that I got a couple of months ago. So far, it actually just hit 220,000 miles yesterday, so drove about 1,500 miles since I brought it home. Doing good. AC is cold, everything works on it, and now it is cleaned out. What I did is I went and got just a cheap rug to put down so that I don't have all of the dirt and stuff from, hauling around lawn equipment and stuff like that just sitting there on the actual interior. Hopefully it'll be a little bit easier to keep clean, so on and so forth. I got some floor mats in the front and the back as well, just to try and keep this a little bit cleaner, and it is a lot cleaner, as y'all saw from that video last Sunday. Remember, guys, for those who commented, you had to comment what vehicles were in your driveway. There was only one entry per person. There were a couple people that did a bunch of comments of each different vehicle. You still got entered once, just like everybody else. But what you're going to win is the aerosol, which is an awesome product. I love the aerosol. You just spray it on whatever. Brakes, grills, engines is a few things that they say that you could put it on, and then your regular spray bottle of Super Clean. It took almost 2 bottles of this to get this van clean like I wanted it. But now it is clean. It is so much better to drive now that I'm not living in other people's filth, if you know what I mean. And Super Clean helped make it possible. They've been a great partner of the channel. I'll leave some links down below as to how you can go out and buy some Super Clean products. It's tough, that's for sure. Just be careful about some of the surfaces that you use it on. Sometimes this is a pretty abrasive product, so you may have to potentially water it down just a little bit, or just avoid some surfaces altogether so that you don't have fading or things along those lines. But super tough cleaner, and made this van super clean. So let's go inside. I've got all 24 people who qualified for this in the wheel. We're going to spin the wheel and see who wins. Thanks again, everyone, for participating. Let's go see who wins this. Alright, guys, so had 24 entries total. There's a couple people that commented multiple times, but only one entry per person. So everybody's name who commented what vehicles they own or that are in their driveway are in this wheel here. So I'm about to click it and spin it, and we're going to see who ends up winning the 10,000 subscriber Super Clean giveaway. Y'all ready? Alright, here we click it. Let's go. Alright, half and half won. What's very strange about this is that's my dad. So he has won the Super Clean giveaway. I promise that this is not rigged. I have not gone through this. Oh my goodness. Guys, I hope y'all don't think this is rigged or anything. He entered just like everybody else did. I put, if y'all can see all the names down here, and I'll remove this just so y'all can see. He'll be removed from the list. But this is all of y'all's names. Trust me, I wouldn't do this multiple times because that takes a little while to put y'all's names in there. It just so happened that it was him. So I really do appreciate all of y'all that played, repeat players, a lot of first-time players. Hopefully here in the future we'll have more opportunities for giveaways. I just got to get my feet under me because this is the busy time of season. That's all I can do, just being myself to keep up with it. Again, thank y'all very much for playing, and I promise that this is not rigged. It just so happens that he was the lucky one that got it. Alright guys, so again, I did not anticipate my dad winning. His username is half and half because he's built a C10 Chevy and put a Hemi drivetrain in it. And enjoys that truck very much. So it's a lot different than the old 350s and 305s that come in them things. And so he made a nice little project out of it, and he's enjoying that truck. And he's going to enjoy some Super Clean as well. I'm going to have to put some sort of family restrictions on these things at some point, because what are the chances out of 24 people that he's the one that won it? I'd rather have one of y'all win it, just because, you know, y'all are not family, and y'all are loyal watchers, and y'all get a little bit more out of it, you know, watching videos. And connecting with me, since I get to connect with him all the time because he's my dad. But either way, he's won it. He's going to enjoy them products. And if you want to enjoy these Super Clean products, I'll leave some links in the description below. I really enjoy using this stuff. If I want to make something look really nice and get it really, really clean, I use these Super Clean products. We have done this to this van. I've still got a little bit more to do on it mechanical-wise, replacing a tie rod and replacing the oil pan gaskets. And apart from that, this thing's pretty much sorted, apart from, you know, some paint and things along those lines. But again, it's a $310 van that is being used to haul lawn equipment and stuff around. So I'm not too particular about the looks of it. I just want it to run and drive good and be clean on the inside, at least for a work vehicle, to where I wasn't riding around in other people's field. Thanks again, Super Clean, for partnering with me. Again, done many videos on them. An American company, which is great. They're available in a lot of retail stores, and their product support and their team is excellent. Thanks again for watching this giveaway video. Thank you to all who participated, and congratulations to my dad, Charles Ellis, for winning the Super Clean. Thanks again, y'all, and I'll catch y'all on the next video.